Welcome to Quest, empowering future leaders through communication. We transform classrooms with practical English training and personality development. In today's world, English isn't just a language, it's a life skill. Spoken English, confidence building, and real-world communication skills all in one curriculum. Quest programs are creating confident speakers and self-assured students across Telugu states. Our expert trainers make learning interactive, fun, and meaningful. Every session is designed to engage, encourage, and empower students. From stage fear to stage ready, we see the transformation every day. Students speak up. Students stand out. Quest makes the difference. Bring Quest to your school. Let's build communicators and shape future leaders together.